Good morning everybody, Jono here from Lost Sheep Adventures. Trip episodes, working on it. I got all sorts of other stuff I'm sort of working on and just tied up with. But I've been band-aiding the truck recently so I can get around on trips. And last week when I was out with Mike, they ended up blowing my release bearings. So I got a new one of them. Kind regards and awesome thanks to Greg from Offroad Specialties. He's the guy who's making jets affordable in New Zealand. And he sent me down a whole lot of parts. So I've got rear brake shoes here, front brake pads to be able to basically make sure I have a handbrake again and stop in time, as well as caliper repair kits because mine kept jamming up, so that's there as well. The front end sway bar, it would rub against the chassis and it's worn quite down a little bit. That's because my bushings are worn out. So I've got a front push kit for the sway bar and that slave cylinder and release kit, release bearing for the clutch as well. So overall, I should have a well mechanically partially good going truck after all this. Basically I'm going to rip into that gearbox first, start ripping that out to replace that bearing because that's going to take the longest, and then we'll start checking through everything else. So check out Greg's website, it'll be in the description down below, and we'll just kick into this and start undoing some bolts. Easy guys, take long. One of the first things you want to be doing, guys, is paint pen. Get under here, mark all your drive shafts, where everything lines up. Because changing them could end up changing driveline vibrations, and then it all just turns nasty. So get under here, mark all the joints, where everything goes, and then you can put it all back in the same place. Perfect. So here's my, and you probably can see that, I'm sure, hopefully. There's the bearing itself, absolutely seized on it. So I'll pull that off, like it's not even in there. Don't get the job done at a small town garage. At least got a new one, woo! Alright, time to put it all back together. So yesterday I had a ditch early because, well, my mate talked me into going to Macetown, so I didn't really finish off everything. Basically though, gearbox is in, everything's back in order, waiting for that U-joint, so I put the rear drive shaft in. So in the meantime, we might as well get stuck into that master cylinder and slave cylinder and start bleeding the clutch so I actually can change gear again. So let's give this thing a bloody feel and a go, and this is nerve-wracking. I don't know. Ignore me, rear drive shaft, don't worry. Awesome guys, gearbox all back together and we're driving again. This thing's so cool, I seriously need to get me one of these. This is actually just works. But, front drive shaft in, slave cylinder in, gearbox in, cross member in, rear drive shaft in, new U-joint in the rear, and everything is right as rain. Still need to get front pinion seal sorted, that's also leaking a little bit. But sadly I've tried like 3 times to break that nut, not a single chance has worked, so I'm thinking of new ideas for that. And brakes shortly. For now guys, that's awesome. That is Lost Sheep Adventures. We will catch you next time. Latest team.